Hi, my name is Pablo Felix, and this is going to be the last video of business skills class with Mr. Saul Galvez. And this final video is going to be about startups. What is a startup? Well, it is a company working to solve a problem where the solution is not obvious and the success is not guaranteed. This is what Neil Blumenthal said. He's the co founder and actual CEO of Warby Parker, one of the best startups of 2017, ranked by Forbes. So, how do we know that it's a good business model? The studies have to be made before launching the startup. You have to know when are you going to receive back the investment that you're making on the business. So if you agree with those numbers, go for it. Launch the startup company. But if you are not so sure, or if the numbers are not as good, you have to think about it. Okay. So how do we develop a startup? Well, I think that one of the most important things is to have a good team. uh, you have to you have to be surrounded by people that are committed with the project, and that they will be responsible to make the project happen. So the team is very important, and there are some other factors. You also have to make studies about the market, where you're going to locate it. You have to be sure that the business that you will launch, it's going to solve a problem, and that it's going to be green and responsible. There are a lot of factors that you have to consider. So let me talk let me share with you one of my ideas of business that I am planning to launch in the future. I am planning to create a software where you can be you can have a fluent communication between a promoter and an artist. Let me give you some background story. I work in a promoter company where we organize festivals, events, concerts. Um, we organize all type of events, but mostly there are events of music events, festivals. We work with artists. We hire artists. We bring them to a venue, and we sell tickets. That's what we do. So I am in charge of the logistics, and I am constantly emailing managers, tour managers, where we share information to make the event happen. We organize the event. So I am planning to make a software where this could be a way of communication between the promoter and the artist, because I think that there's like a train with a few stages. I ask for a rooming list or for a flying list. I have to buy the tickets. I will ask for the flying list. I will receive it. I will forward that flying list to my travel agency. My travel agency is going to buy the tickets, then send me the confirmation keys back to me. Then I will share those confirmation keys to the artist, and then the manager is going to distribute those confirmation keys to all the team, to all the artist team. So there's a bunch of emails there that I think that we could concentrate that information in one software. So maybe I can ask for a flying list, and when I receive it, somehow my travel agency is going to receive it as well. And then when I receive back with the confirmation keys, the artist, the tour manager, is going to receive the confirmation keys, and at the same time, all the team of the uh, of the artist is going to receive their corresponding confirmation key. So it is a way of communication. It's just an example of what I want to do. I want to include as well the writer. The writer is what the artist asks for, like the type of instruments that they want in the stage, or the type of transportation, the type of vehicle that they want. If they want an SUV, a van of 15 passengers, or maybe if they want, um, if they somehow they missed a flight, they have to tell me that they missed the flight, so I will have to contact the driver to tell him that they missed the flight, so they're going to be in another flight. So it's a bunch of information that it takes time to reach the person that we want to inform. So maybe by the time that the driver gets the information, they already arrived in the different flight, and now they don't have a vehicle waiting for them at the gate. So it's a way to it's a way to have a communication more fluent between the promoter and the artist, and to save some time, uh, to save some time organizing the events. This is just a small uh, example of the software, but it's going to be very complete, and it's going to be easy to manage, because that's something that I really care about. To be, I want the software to be friendly to use, and a bunch of other stuff. But I will have to make a longer video to tell you exactly what the software is. But it's basically a communication software between promoters and artists. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.